Hello everyone, welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. This will be video 3 of the package 2 of the new frog order. Again, these were ordered on November 15th, shipped on November 21st, and arrived December 15th, so 1 month. We're going to go ahead today and open these two. So, let's get started with the first one. This is part of the order that totaled basically 75 cents per picture, per kit. Alright, so this one is this. Okay, 2 kits, small plate of wax, green boat, no cutout, pink pen, the normal kits that come with the new frog. So it's some flowers and butterflies. 5 panel. That's what the canvas looks like. And if I can find my paper, here it is. This is what the website shows it should be. So there's that. And there's that. I think that's a pretty good likeness. The canvas is very clear. Try this again, but it never works. One of these times it's just going to surprise me and work. Just know it is. Nope, doesn't look like it's going to be this time either. Anyway, the canvas looks really, really clear. Looks like it has some really pretty colors in it, some oranges and pinks, greens. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. Alright, so this one has 24 colors. So I will open this up and we can take a look at the colors. Okay, here they come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like 2 6s. And then 7. And another 7, so 2 7s. 2 8, there's my 6 6 6. A 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's also 21, so there's 2 21s, 22, 23, also 23, and 4 packages of 24. This one is $38.66. Okay, so all of the colors were there. some really pretty colors going into this. I think I'm going to really like it. It looks like they sent a lot of my, I know these are called multi-panel, but for tracking purposes I just call them combo. So like the genius name on this one is Combo Butterfly Daisies. Don't even know if they were daisies, but when I looked at them, they look like daisies, so that's what I called them. It looks like they sent all of my, or most of my multi-panels in this shipment in number 2. All right, let's get that one rolled up. And let's open this one. Hey, that one came open easily. Taylor would have been excited. She'd have been able to open that one. And it looks like this one goes this way. And there is that one. And I will show you. This one looks really dark, but now I'm looking at the picture and it looks really dark on here too. So I guess that's appropriate. Okay, so that is this one. Lots of red, lots of dark. Just probably going to hit me with 310. Yep, oh, that's 310. Yay. Again, 2 toolkits. Taylor made me promise not to put those away until she was here tomorrow after school. Today's Sunday. Until she's here tomorrow after school to be able to help me put those away, because she likes dividing the kits out into the different things and putting them into the drawers. Alright, this one has 21 colors. Okay, there's number 1. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 bags of 310. That's number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, another 20, and 21. So in case you didn't see the first 2 videos, they sell these as 95 by 45. Taylor and I did some measuring, and 95 by 45 is canvas to canvas, canvas to canvas. It's not the drill area. So 95, 45. I've got 4 more kits that came in package number 2. So far, this one makes me a little bit nervous. I have a hard time. I mean, I guess in the viewfinder it doesn't look too bad, but I have a hard time seeing rocks here. I mean, I can definitely see the big rose here. And I can see this one's a flower here. I don't know, it might turn out just fine. This is the first one that I've had any kind of doubt at all about. I guess in the viewfinder it doesn't look too bad. Okay, so normally that would be $12.26. I averaged each painting 75 cents. So for under $1, that works for me. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section down below. Thank you all for watching and subscribing. I appreciate you all, and I hope you have a great week. Tomorrow starts a new work week. Anyway, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.